match in 3, 2, 1.
Yeah! Go
All
after
right,
it! Go
green start.
after it!
Grand Glitcher's picking up a ton of green cubes.
Let's go, Ashton. Let's go.
All right,
Let's
we
go.
have Grand Glitcher scoring a ton of green
Let's
cubes
go,
in that first goal.
Let's go.
Mustang 1 pushing all of the reds off the scoring post, getting 5 points each.
Let's go, Ashton.
We get to our first drive period, you can switch drivers.
Let's go, Kristen. Let's go,
Grand
Kristen.
Glitcher's picking up more of those green cubes. 25 seconds, if you have not switched, you must switch. As we get down to the last 20 seconds, Grand Glitcher's getting more cubes, moving them around. With 15 seconds left on the clock.
It's okay, it's okay.
10 seconds left. Ready down. Mustang 1 getting apart. And that is time. All right. We're now moving on to Q2.